students, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we are going to cover some important multiple choice questions related to cloud computing. So let's start with the first question, that is, which of the following is not a true characteristic of cloud computing? First option is agility, second is high availability and reliability, third option is low scalability, and last is multi-sharing. So here we have to select not a true, that means a false characteristic related to cloud computing. So the right answer is option number 3, that is low scalability. Option number 3, right? Because we all know cloud computing always offer high scalability, and we can increase or decrease the scalability according to the user's need. It refers to the ability to increase or decrease IT resources as needed to meet changing demands, right? That means we can change these according to the user's requirement. Scalability is one of the hallmark of the cloud and the primary driver of its exploding popularity with businesses. So the right answer is option number 3, that is low scalability. Next question is, which of the following model consists of the particular types of services that you can access on a cloud computing platform? We all know that cloud computing always offers so many services. So the right answer is option number 1, that is services, right? There are some important services, some important types of services, that is SaaS, software as a service, PaaS means platform as a service, and IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. With the help of software as a service, we can get any software or any application on a rent basis. We can get all these from a cloud service provider. With the help of PaaS, we can get any type of platform. There is no need to buy any platform. We can get this on a rent basis. On the basis of IaaS, we can access any type of infrastructure according to our organizations or our personal requirements. So the right answer is services. Third question is, point out the wrong statement. We have to select the wrong statement. So cloud computing has two distinct set of models. Next is, Amazon has built a worldwide network of data centers to service its search engine. Next is, Azure enables .NET framework applications to run over the internet. This is right statement. This is also a right statement. So the wrong answer is B, that is Amazon has built a worldwide network of data centers to service its search engines. Actually, this is made by Google company, right? Google has built mega data centers for its search engines. Next question is, which of the following is true about cloud computing? We have to select the correct statement. First is, cloud computing is platform dependent. Cloud computing makes our business applications mobile and collaborative. And next is, cloud computing provides us means of accessing the applications and utilities over computer only. This is a wrong statement. We can access and use any type of applications with the help of computer, mobile, and any other device. All these statements are true, but here we have no options for both 1 and 2, so we will go for the second option, that is cloud computing offer platform independency, as the software is not required to be installed locally on the PC, right? This means that we can access anything from anywhere if we are accessing anything from cloud computing, cloud service providers. Hence the cloud computing is making our business applications mobile and collaborative. So the right answer is option number 2. Next question is, in grid computing, which type of computer resources are there? In grid computing, there are so many computers connected to each other to share some data. So they use both 1 and 2 type of systems. Okay, in grid computing, heterogeneous types of resources are used that are geographically dispersed, right? So right answer is option number 3. Next question is, the term CaaS stands for communication as a service. Okay, communication as a service, which enables the clients to utilize resources like the unified communication and enterprise level PBX, VPNs, VoIP without the expense of hosting, purchasing and maintaining the infrastructure. We have discussed this so many times that with the help of cloud services, there is no need to buy any particular thing. We can get and access anything with the help of cloud service providers. So the next question is, which of the following is a pay as you go model matches resources to need on an ongoing basis? First is utility, elasticity, low barrier to entry and all of the above. The right answer is first, that is utility. We have discussed this so many times that pay as you go model is the most important model in case of cloud computing. In cloud computing we always pay for what we have used, right? This is also known as pay per use model. This eliminates waste and has the added benefit of shifting risk from the clients. This is called utility. Next question is, which of the following is a software in which the applications are hosted by a cloud service provider and users can access these applications with the help of internet connection and web browsers? We all know that with the help of internet and web browsers only we can get access to any type of application and any type of platform, etc., right? So in this question we have asked the type of software. That means the right answer is first, that is software as a service. With the help of SaaS only we can get any type of software or any type of application. So SaaS is also known as on-demand software. That means we can get any software according to our requirement. It is also a software in which the applications are hosted by a cloud service provider and it is hosted on a remote server. That means we can use all these services from anywhere or from any device. Next question is, which of the following is the most refined and restrictive service model? We have discussed all the service model in detail. So the most refined and restrictive model is PaaS, that means platform as a service model. The last question we have is, which of the following is related to service provided by cloud? Cloud provides sourcing, ownership, reliability or all of the above. So the right answer we have is option number 4. That means the right answer is option number 1. We can access any type of source. We can access any type of service with the help of cloud. There is no option for ownership. We cannot allowed to buy anything from cloud. We can get just on a rent basis. We can get everything on a rent basis. Okay, so the right option here is option number 1. So this is all about the 10 most important multiple choice questions related to cloud computing. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching this.